Hello, this is Daniel from Coach Icon. A client reached out to us to help her to build a funnel, and the funnel is to offer free toolkit and to upsell people to register for the live event. This is how the page look like. This is how the funnel page look like, and it is responsive on mobile. This is the mobile version. It's mobile responsive. This is the mobile version. Fit. These are beautiful clients, Dr. Tameka. I hope I pronounce the name well. So this how it look like on mobile. Very mobile friendly, mobile responsive. This is the design on mobile. And so these are some of the functionalities. So when somebody click here, send me the toolkit. So this pop-up will come up where they are going to input their details, and after input their details, this email, this the PDF, the toolkit will be sent to their email. It's not the one they will download after checkout. Because if one of the things is, if you make it downloadable after they input their details, for someone that input incorrect email, the person is still going to receive the toolkit. So this is just a way of email validation to validate that this email is correct, that it will be sent to their email. So for somebody that input wrong email, they are not going to receive the toolkit. So this is just a way. So this will be sent to their email, and after that, they are going to receive the email. After that, it will be followed by a series of upselling email sequence to upsell them to register for the live event. And this is the live event. So it's coming up March 5. This is the price, and it will be happening in Zoom. And somebody can click book now. So this is the form, and after they fill the form, they'll check out. And so let me just fill it. Daniel, Ileola. I think that is the two that is required. Okay, email contact dot coach icon at gmail.com. So book now. So this is where they enter their payment details. And if there's a coupon code for this, they can enter the coupon code, or they can redeem a gift card. So if you are a coach, or a business owner, and you want to launch your website, your business website, or you want to launch a course or a membership website or a funnel, kindly reach out to us, and we'll be happy to help you. This is my website, and I've worked with more than 150 clients, more than 200 projects, and this is a video testimonial from my previous client. The result showed the workings. So thank you so much, and I look forward to work with you as well.